to my channel. In today's video I am going to be dyeing my hair. Since my last video got a lot of love on it, I thought I might as well record myself dyeing my hair again. Only this time I will be going darker. My hair is long overdue, it's getting blonde bits back through it. The grey is coming out, so my roots are coming through. However, I am not touching my roots this time. I am just going to be dyeing the lighter part of my hair, and I'm going to be dyeing it graphite grey. So if you've watched my previous hair bleaching and dyeing video, if not, the link will be down in the description, but I used the brand Colour Freedom for my hair. This is the brand that I always use to dye my hair. It comes in loads of different colours, so if you are wanting to dye your hair more of a grey colour, these do a really large selection of grey colours. You can either get them on Amazon or you can get them in Superdrug. That's where I usually get mine, in Superdrug. Enough talking and we will get into the video. So brush and section my hair, and then I'm going to shake up the dye and we will get dyeing. I absolutely hate these gloves that it comes with. I hate when they're like that. I feel like they just come off your hands so easy. Gonna put the colour in the developer. Let's pop that shit open. I like to make sure that I'm getting every last bit of product and I roll it up as I'm going down. Don't want to be missing any product. Being a cheapskate and making sure I get my money's worth. Why is it blue? I'm not sure if it's meant to be blue. Every time I've used this dye before, it's not been blue, so this could be a hair fail. To let you know, before I've dyed my hair, for the past 2 days I have been deep conditioning it with castor oil. So before you dye your hair, do give it some conditioning treatment, because obviously doing this to it is gonna probably destroy it. I've not been dark grey in a long time, so this will be interesting to see what I look like, because I've forgotten. I'm using a new foundation today. I quite like it actually. It's an elf one. I'll leave this on my hair and I'll be back to wash it out and also show you the end result. So this is my hair just after I've washed it. Obviously I've not dried it or anything yet. Thought I'll give my hair a trim while it's wet. So I'm just taking a comb and I'm just brushing through my hair. I'm going to take some hairdressing scissors, my comb, and I'm just going to cut the ends. I don't really like to cut my hair too much. I usually cut my hair anyway. I'm going to go dry and style my hair and I'll be back to show you the end result. So I am back. I have just finished drying and I've just quickly curled it a little bit and brushed the curls out, and this is the end result for my hair. It's a really dark grey colour, so obviously graphite grey. This is it in natural lighting. I do really like it. I've not been dark in so long, so it feels weird to be back to a dark colour again, but I do really like it. So comment down below which hairstyle you prefer. Do you prefer me with darker grey hair or lighter grey hair? And let me know in the comments. But that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. They are linked in the description down below, and see you later.